So here we have an interesting situation and kind of discouraging, but we'll have to find out what caused it. I think I know what caused it. We have an area on the very top roof. You can see we're up in the air. Here's our tree here, good 20 feet taller than we are. And you can see by our view here, we're up there good. So right here, I noticed when I was going around and checking, right in here, this was loose. This was soft. So it looks like right here it's rotten, and I can feel the rot all the way over to about here. Well, even here might be rotten. So I need to take this board probably right here, take this out, and then make a new one and put it back in here. So I'm not sure what we're going to run into. Now there's a slight bevel here, at least there's supposed to be. So I'm going to have to get this out and then figure out what I need to make and then put it back in. At least half of the board, like this part feels solid. So it's really this bottom part right here is what I need to remove. So I'm going to pull all these screws for right now, and then I got to slice the Geico, try to roll it up so I can use it again, because I want to Geico tape it back down. Okay, so time to rip into it and get that rod out of there and then see what we need to do to fix it.